but I am very impulsive, which means I sometimes make decisions very quickly without really thinking them through. Sometimes, as my mom can tell you, this has not been a good thing for me. I've gotten myself into a few sticky situations by not thinking something through. But there have been a few times in my life when being impulsive has been a really good thing for me. And the story of how I got my medal is one of those times when being impulsive was a good thing. So this was back in January of this year, January 2016, but like just after New Year's. So it was cold, and in January it gets dark early, and I was just kind of feeling bleh. Has anyone ever felt bleh?
Yeah,
Every day. Yeah. When you go to work. Yeah. Well, I was feeling pretty bleh during this